equals bullish anchor convention cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 23 cents and 52 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept ANC could reach 23 cents by 2025. Bearish anchor convention market cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. Anchor convention acquaintance, you've accompanied the perfect locations assuming you're searching for anchor convention value expectations and need to know where the anchor convention cost will go from here on out. We'll look at anchor convention's verifiable information, market patterns, and witness industry insiders' thought process will to its cost from here on out. If it's not too much trouble, remember that this visualization and some other forecast ought to be taken with the comprehension that they are just the assessments of a few market investigators. Not to add that it is hard to predict whatever exact. In any case, we will bend over backward. How about we start with the anchor convention value forecast? What is the anchor convention? One of the essential inspirations for the production of digital currencies, anchor convention endeavors to accomplish the depegging of the Terra USD stablecoin and resulting breakdown of the Luna digital money. Be that as it may, made it be shaken, and it was a main consideration. Individuals that marked us got a 19.5% payout from the anchor convention. Yet toward the beginning of May 2022, a few enormous financial backers pulled out their possessions, causing the amount of us set in anchor to decline. Different financial backers were then provoked to pull out their USD because of this thump-on influence. This brought about a run that depegged USD and drove down the cost of Luna. Decentralized finance, frequently known as DeFi, is the key rule behind a few blockchains and digital forms of money. It depends on the perception that there are a greater number of individuals with web access than ledgers. DeFi is intended to give clients admittance to run-of-the-mill banks' administrations without expecting them to submit to a particular power. Credits are one assistance given by banks that can be favorable for the people DeFi is attempting to reach. The thought that credits might be made through decentralized finance, and especially Bitcoin, can possibly cause a ton of clamor, albeit Compound and other digital forms of money are specialists in this field. The issue of whether a digital money could help customers give credits rather than getting them actually must be replied. Presently, the anchor convention steps in. The Luna digital currency might be acquired in restricted amounts utilizing Anchor, which works on the Land blockchain. Borrowers can involve their own computerized resources as security. The Anchor convention token is granted to supporters of the Land pool. Individuals can contribute ANC to the acquiring pool to procure interest, which is paid out in ANC also. Individuals who own Anchor convention Bitcoin really have a cryptographic money bank account, which is one more normal bank choice that DeFi fans wish to exploit. At a certain point, the convention was an intriguing possibility since it paid out a sizable amount of interest. In any case, on June 8, 2022, Anchor clients chose to end the two its acquiring and getting capacities after its part in the depegging of the USD stablecoin. Anchor convention crucial examination. As financial backer confidence in the biological system hit an untouched low with the breakdown of the algorithmic stablecoin USD, Land was left in an unsafe circumstance. The current chain will keep on being named Land Exemplary, while the new chain will be called Land. Partners in Luna Exemplary, proprietors of Luna Exemplary, and proprietors of USD will all get airdrops of new LUNA2 tokens. Anchor convention specialized investigation. Regardless of whether it is challenging to create 100% precise specialized examination for the ANC coin, TradingView's strong specialized investigation capability permits clients to see the consolidated Anchor convention trade rating for the given time span continuously. The NCI USD investigation depends on the most broadly utilized specialized markers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns. Anchor convention current cost. Anchor convention is right now worth 5 cents USD. ANC has moved 2.96% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,649,018. Anchor convention is right now positioned 553 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $18,635,113 USD. Anchor convention value expectation 2022. Anchor convention, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ANC cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 7 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 7 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. ANC is supposed to have a base worth of 6 cents. Anchor convention value expectation 2023. In 2023, Anchor convention ANC cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ANC will before long outperform 13 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the ANC's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ANC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 10 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 11 cents. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 18 cents and ANC might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ANC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 17 cents and a low of 15 cents in 2024. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the Anchor Convention effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the ANC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ANC will be green in 2025. The ANC is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 23 cents, with a base cost of 21 cents and a typical cost of 22 cents. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ANC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 27 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 26 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ANC has a most extreme value worth of 29 cents. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 32 cents. In the event that ANC figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 34 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help ANC needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 31 cents. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2028. While ANC is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 37 cents and a yearly cost close above 39 cents in 2028. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Anchor Convention will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 42 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 45 cents, averaging out at 43 cents. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ANC cost in 2030 is projected to be 52 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 49 cents. And, however, apparently an independent digital money. Numerous financial backers are as of now worried about Anchor Convention's association with the land environment and Luna coin, particularly considering late withdrawals, the depegging of us,